I'm not Quicksand.
You are Quicksand. And you were on the schedule yesterday, and something happened. Yes, she was
I'm
on our
supposed to
schedule
be here
yesterday.
today.
I
I don't know what happened, but it's today.
So they told me up front. Well, Quicksand was supposed to be here yesterday and didn't come in, but she's here today. Can we see her? I said,
Yes.
well, of course. Yeah.
You know I'm over 60, so.
Are
You using that too?
My
My mama
goodness.
used that too.
Yeah.
Her age.
Heck yeah. I earned it.
It's a good excuse.
To market.
Let me tell you where it hurts.
Got a little effusion here. Sure, go right ahead.
Like
Yeah,
right there.
yeah, right there. Now, does it hurt back here at all?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And does it hurt in the front right there?
A little bit,
Okay.
but not as bad.
Does it radiate down this way some?
I don't think so.
Okay.
That's very sore.
That's very sore. Okay. You have.
More. This one's getting sore too.
Have you been exercising? Did you start the new year out with some kind of special exercise program or something?
I haul water bottles back and forth from the store.
I need something to make a little mark with. Okay, so this is our new office, and we don't have all of our tools.
At all.
Yeah,
I'm
we
glad
have some
you're
of our
back in
tools.
Topol.
Oh, it's good to be back. I'm gonna use a pen and just make a little dimple right there. There we go. That's good.
I mean, the
The
spot.
spot's right there. Oh yeah, she's gonna spray
here?
a little cold spray. You're gonna feel a little stick. There we go, a little medicine right there. But then we're gonna come a little bit more in. You've got some arthritis there.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, you sure do. Okay, take a deep breath. There it is. And that's why we're injecting. You have osteoarthritis in this joint. But you've also got a bursitis that's developed, probably from hauling those water bottles around.
Well, I don't like the well water.
You ready for coronavirus?
No.
Oh well, I guess you're going to run out of toilet paper and Lysol.
You just have to wash your hands.
Well, yeah, but what if somebody sneezes on you?
Punch him in the
That's
throat.
like, I was sitting out there a while ago and the guy said he wanted me to help him with his iPad. And he said he had a cold. I said, you don't have the coronavirus, do you? He goes, oh no. I said, I'll honestly tell you, get back.
Get away, get away. Okay, so the story is these two guys wearing masks walk into a bank and they're coughing and people start shrieking and running and they say, relax, relax, we're just here to rob the place.
That's funny.
Okay, put a bandage on that. All right, so this will help your shoulder feel better. And if you'll stop, maybe you can find some Gumby Jeans available to haul those water bottles for you.
I got a raggedy back.
Oh, that's right.
Well, a healed back now from previously.
Can I get a
being
little
raggedy.
alcohol swab?
Oh, yeah.
Is there, I can't take my meloxicam anymore.
Yeah,
So is there something else that I can take?
Tylenol.
Oh, Jesus.
You can have Tylenol. You know what? This is really actually pretty surprising, but for
You can take that
osteoarthritis,
with metoprolol?
then yes, you can. The number one treatment on the staircase, on the stair step or ladder approach to treatment of osteoarthritis, you start with acetaminophen, 500 milligrams, 2 of them twice a day. That is what, now unless you have a reason not to. Okay, now there are some people that can't take acetaminophen, so they should always check with their doctor first. But for those that can take it, and that's most people, including me, I take 2 extra strength Tylenol first thing in the morning, and I take them again.
I take Tylenol.
I take them again later in the day. All right, so you do that first. And then secondarily, if you can have an anti-inflammatory, we add that on. That's an add-on for it. If that doesn't work and you're having a lot of pain like you are obviously in your shoulder and the pain continues, that's when we move over to pain management. Then we have a chronic pain problem for which we need to see a pain management physician. Because in Texas, you have to be a pain management physician to prescribe chronic pain therapy, right? That's the law. It's all because of diversion of pain medications and the big epidemic there that we're fighting. Okay, so you don't look like somebody that would divert, but I don't know. You might be. We're not able to just look at somebody and tell.
This is true.
Although you do have shifty eyes there,
Oh,
Quicksand.
yes.
No. Okay, so ice your shoulder tonight for about 20 minutes. Do it an hour before you go to bed, and it should feel a lot better tomorrow. And if you'll take it easy, maybe you won't end up, needing another shot anytime soon.
Well, they're limiting the bottles of water. You can only get 4 at a time now.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to go back and get some more.
You're welcome to come over to my house. I have some RO. You just stand there with a jug.
Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system. So if you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina. If I miss a day, there's no doubt I lose energy earlier in the day, and I won't go without it in the future.
It has helped me so very much with working. It gives me a lot more energy throughout the day, and instead of being in the middle of the day, I can get through my whole day, and it's been working really well.
And I have a lot of energy. I'm not wired up or anything. It feels natural, and I recommend this product to everyone. So get your bottle of Meta 7 today.
Check out the Amazon links in the description below, and you can order today with Amazon Prime.